Welcome to today's video. The topic for today is the SQL CTE construct. CTE stands for Common Table Expression and is a great tool to add to your tool set as a SQL developer. One of the main benefits of using a CTE is that it can be used to write more readable and maintainable code. By creating a CTE, you can give a name to a complex subquery, which makes it easier to understand the purpose of the subquery within the larger query. This can be especially useful when you are working with long or complex queries that would otherwise be difficult to understand. Another benefit of using a CTE is that it can improve the performance of your queries by allowing the query optimizer to better understand the structure of the data being queried. This can result in more efficient execution of the query and improved performance. To use a CTE, you simply define it using the with clause followed by a name and the query that generates the result set. Let's look at an example. In this example, we have defined a CTE named CT_name that returns a result set containing column 1 and column 2 from table 1 where condition 1 is met. The main query then selects all columns from the CTE. You can also define multiple CTEs within the same with clause, separated by commas. Here's an example. In this example, we have defined two CTEs, CTE_name1 and CTE_name2. The main query then combines the results of both CTEs using the union all operator. You can also use a CTE as part of a recursive query, which is a query that references itself in order to process hierarchical or recursive data. To do this, you use the recursive keyword followed by the CTE definition. In this example, the CTE is defined using the recursive keyword and includes a union all operator that combines the results of the initial select statement with the results of a subsequent select statement that references the CTE itself. This allows the CTE to process hierarchical or recursive data. There are many more features and capabilities of the SQL CTE clause, but these are some of the most important and commonly used. By using the CTE clause, you can improve the readability and maintainability of your SQL code and improve the performance of your queries. If you have a specific question about CTEs, feel free to ask in the comments below and we will try our best to create a video that answers your question. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and if you like the content, please hit that like button. And hit the notification button so you'll know when we post new content.